Meet Prince Reverend Dr. AZK Adekoya, a financial and legal expert analyst, a businessman and serial entrepreneur, fashion designer, an entertainment guru, a media mogul, art and culture, health and wellness, credit restoration, debt filtration, a political and economic strategist, global business consultant, a philanthropist, founder of African Diaspora for Justice, founder Africa400years.org, a woman and women rights advocate, My Daughter Your Daughter NGO, founder of the Women in Governance, organizer of Global Summit on Sustainable Economic Development, and many more.